Freedom. To most, it is an idea, an abstract thought that pertains to control. That's not freedom, that's independence. Freedom is riding wild over untamed land with no notion any moment exists beyond the one you are living. Elsa Dutton, 1883.
Alright, there we go again. Off we go. Adventure is out there. Holy cow! That is unreal, man. Oh, it's so freaking cool. Hello, bike. It's been a while.
Episode 2, Over the Divide. Day 2, we head out of Salida toward Lake City, crossing over the Continental Divide at Marshall Pass, and stopping at Sargents, Tomichi Creek Trading Post for food and fuel.
Hello, helmet. Oh, it's so moist. Good morning, Salida, Sausalito, Cilantro. Here we go. Leaving Sadila. However you say it.
It's going to be a good part of the video right there.
Brisk this morning. I might put my coat on. Feels good. It does. It does. Cool. Oh, watch out for ice. Yes. Heated grips coming on. I'm really not that cold, actually. I'm glad I got the jacket on, though. Feels refreshing. That wind can whip through the shirt pretty easy. Yeah. Feels good. Oh, that should help a little bit. My neck got a little chilly on the way up here. I was gonna change my gloves. Putting on my wind stoppers. Making a right here. Yeah. Onward. And upward. When did we start this morning? Did you see? No. 7:30 right now, so it must have been 7? Probably 7. There's a little lake down there. Cool. Yeah, I think that's Marshall Lake. I can't remember. I was looking at it because there's campgrounds around it. Yeah. That's jumping. Fisher people out there. Yeah. Go back there, behave. piggyback to the dust. That lake is beautiful. Look at that. It is cool, huh? Oh, wow. Turn your camera around this.
It was a morning in June when I heard that tune falling up to the beat of your heart. Like a white rain sails from a startled trail, our eyes met and then landed so well.
Wow. That mountain's right there.
Before you could speak, before you could weep, I held your hand in mine. Like a shell on a beach, waiting for your reach, falling up to the mountain to climb. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring. There's no need for doubt in his mind. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring. There's no need for doubt in his mind. And our eyes align like the sun through the pines in a silent space.
I think we're up, coming up to the pass. 10-6.
In the Jordan, for the great moon in the middle of June, falling up to the pole of the tide. Though I've seen it before.
Yeah, I think this is the top of the pass. There's probably a sign up here. Stop, get a picture. Poncha Pass. It's all my followers. Yeah. Yeah.
There's no need for doubt in his mind. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring. There's no need for doubt in his mind. And our eyes align like the sun.
Oh, here's some signage down here. Oh, mark this Continental Divide. Marshall Pass. Should get a little photo op with the bike for sure. Yeah, I gotta get a tank top picture too. Nice.
And our eyes align like the sun through the pines in a silent space, in a cup full of time, in these orderly ways.
So you peed in the Atlantic? I did, yeah. I think I might pee on both.
I let go of my hand in the jar.
Slow starting up here. Yeah, exactly. I'll wind her up. Alright. We're ready to proceed. Yeah. Good. 793 is up on my pocket. Okay.
Okay, what's the deal with the tank top? Brian, as we head down the other side of Marshall Pass, tell us about your buddy's tank top.
Oh, yeah.
So the story of the tank top, it all began probably 15 years ago. I met my good buddy Chris D, who I is affectionately known as White Chocolate, because he's so smooth on the foredeck. We met racing sailboats. Kind of was a big part of me getting back into dirt bike. During the pandemic, we decided that we were going to take a trip to Moab, Utah, which I'd never been to before and he'd never been to either. If you know Chris, like I do, he's one of those guys where he's got very few buttons. Like nothing much gets to him. Like you can razz him all you want, nothing really affects the guy. Anyhow, I think the first or second day we were riding in Moab, having a great time. Come back to the house, we're tired, sweaty, get out of our gear, change our clothes. And Chris comes out wearing a tank top. This tank top is a little bit tight fitting and it's a little bit feminine looking. So I immediately started laughing. What are you gonna do? Like this is You know, this guy's a macho guy. He races sailboats, rides dirt bikes. You've never seen this guy wear a tank top, anything like this before. He gets to me, he start laughing, asking me down. And to my surprise, it hit a button, and he got really sensitive about it. And he got so like worked up about it, he actually went and changed his shirt, which made it even more appealing because it was obviously a button. And I come to find out that before the trip, he had gotten this tank top. He had asked his girlfriend Rose. He was already questioning me. He's like, "Rose, is this a little bit feminine?" And Rose is like, "No, it's fine." And so he rolled with it. In his mind, in the back of his mind, he was wondering, is this tank top just a little bit feminine? And so after changing it, we continued to razz him about it. And it was a lot of fun for the rest of the Moab trip. You know, when he wasn't looking, I went into his room and I grabbed the tank top because I didn't want him to get rid of the tank top. I didn't want the tank top to sit in a dresser. I didn't want it to sit in a drawer somewhere. I wanted the tank top to get out and have an adventure. Cool. So I had an opportunity to go on the ride of a lifetime, the Transamerica Trail, with my good buddies Greg and Clay. And I took the tank top along. And along the way, the tank top became part of the story. You had different people wearing the tank top. And I got photos of people wearing the tank top. I'd send them to my friend Chris. And his responses were fantastic.
You're still pushing the button.
I was pushing that button. I'm still pushing that button. I still have the tank top to this day. I think I don't have any plans to do anything with the tank top other than continue to take it on adventures and send pictures to my friend Chris.
There's some bears down by that creek.
Is there? Chainsaw.
Seems like if I was a bear, that's where I'd be right now. Hanging out down there.
We want food. Not me. I'd be at the zoo getting fed in a bath. Beaver dam down there?
Oh, yeah. Beaver hunters.
No bears.
No bears. There's some bear shit rocks, though.
No. I think it's the Sargents. We're coming into Sargents down here. Welcome to Sargents, Colorado. Might grab a little snack. Oh, it's 7-Eleven today. I should go find a 7-Eleven and get a free slushie.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wild hogs, right on.
Oh boy. I need somebody else to drive so I can just look up the window.
Yeah, exactly. Need a sidecar.
Getting back into a sagebrush area now. It's crazy how quickly it... Totally. We're going to get down a little bit more and we're not going to be having much trees.
From willows to sagebrush.
Hey, don't hit that rock.
How's that going? How's the filming going? Good morning, Lake City.
Oh no.
You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go.